My name is Carlos Bates with C. Bates Electric. I am the owner of C. Bates Electric. We are 7% residential and 30% commercial and light industrial. So we do an array of services. We specialize right now, 50% of our work comes with panels and EV chargers. Everything else is a lot of specialty items. We do a lot of specialty things for customers. We do a lot of lighting, any type of lighting that you can think of, we can provide. Landscape lighting, new recessed lighting. You need some sconces, any of that fancy stuff you want to go there, but for the most part, we can provide that. We deal with no pressure sales. I do not like to pressure a customer when I'm at their home to sell them on what I can provide. I always push a customer to get multiple quotes. I always want the customer to go with the person that's comfortable for them. Comfortability over price is a big thing, because if a person can provide that comfort and that level of expertise that tells you that they know what they're doing, and they come into your home and they're not gonna wreck it or even get turned off by what they provide, and you can actually get the service that you're paying for. Our staff comes with years of experience. At the moment, we have I would say about 63 years of electrical experience on staff. We have about 20 to 30 years of experience in customer service. So I think if you choose us for any reason, you will get the level of service that you expect. First of all, we like to protect everything that we do. We like to wear booties when we come into your house. We like to lay down that floor protector right at the entrance, because we know we don't want to track a bunch of stuff in your home. Some jobs come with permits, some jobs don't. Some jobs come with multiple contractors. We work well with all of that. When it comes to choosing an electrician or even getting work done in their home, there's always a fear involved. And the main fear is being ripped off. Customer does not want to pay you a big deposit and feel like you're going to disappear. You're not going to provide the service that they're asking for. As a contractor, we come into the agreement with a contract. So your contract comes with a 2-year warranty. With that 2-year warranty, all labor and materials are covered. If anything happens, I have plenty of references. If anything happens, you give us a call, we correct it. If it's something on our part, it will get fixed. Dealing with us, you will get the level of expertise to make sure that it gets fixed properly. And if you're not satisfied with our fix, we'll pay for the next fix. If you have any electrical need, whether it's big or small, call C. Bates Electric, where power meets precision and people come first.